up, guys? Hey, I recently picked up this Yes4All plyometric wooden box, and I'll tell you what, I'm actually really happy with it. There were some negative reviews online on Amazon for it, but I'm actually really happy with it. Just gonna show you a couple quick things, and maybe it'll help you make the decision to go with this or another one. So let's check it out. So again, this is the Yes4All plyometric box. It's made of wood, and it has 3 different heights. So depending on the way you turn, you got 14 inches, you got 16 inches, and then 12 inches. And it also has handles with it as well. Online on Amazon, it got some poor reviews because a lot of people said they had a hard time putting the screws in. And they said they had to pre-drill the holes. I didn't have any issues with that at all, assembling, and it went together really easily. I didn't strip any of the screws either. One key thing is to set the tension on your driver, your drill gun, so that when it senses that pressure, it's getting tight, it will go ahead and stop and it won't strip out your screws. But all in all, super happy with it. Seems pretty durable. I've been using it for several months now, and it's holding up really well. So I'll check back at a later date, let you know. But so far, so good. Really happy with the Yes4All plyometric box. So hope this helps you make a decision one way or another. All right, take care.